Have you ever wanted to buy cryptocurrency that everyone's talking about but didn't know where to start? Maybe it's a new coin or an alt gem and you felt wondering what platform is it on, what network does it use, how do you make sure you don't lose your funds in the process? Hi, my name is Lamia and welcome back to our tutorial series where I break down the complexities of crypto in simple, actionable steps. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to fund, purchase and safely store any cryptocurrency. Let's dive in. Step 1. Research the cryptocurrency. First things first, let's find out where your chosen cryptocurrency is available and what network it operates on. Go to trusted websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. For this tutorial, we are going to use CoinMarketCap, one of the most trusted tools in the crypto space. Make sure to visit the correct URL, coinmarketcap.com. I recommend bookmarking it so you can always access it safely. Let's say you're looking for ChainGPT. Type CGPT into the search bar and click on the result. Now you're on the coin's main page and that is where you'll find all information you need. Scroll down to the market section. Here you will see a list of platforms where ChainGPT is available. It's currently listed on centralized exchange like Binance and Bybit, as well as on decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap, and you can store it in. You'll also find the available trading pairs such as CGPT/USDT or CGPT/BUSD, which shows you what currencies you can use to trade for ChainGPT. At the top of the page, check the contract section. You will see that ChainGPT operates on the Binance Smart Chain and on the Ethereum chain. This is important when choosing the right wallet and network for transactions. Step number 2, choose the right platform to buy ChainGPT. Now that you know where ChainGPT is listed, let's decide whether to use a centralized exchange or decentralized exchange. Centralized exchange platforms like Binance and Bybit are beginner friendly, secure and offer high liquidity. They are great for straightforward buying and selling. Decentralized exchange platforms like PancakeSwap allow you to trade directly from your wallet, giving you more control over your funds. To use PancakeSwap, you will need a wallet like MetaMask. I have a step-by-step guide on how to open MetaMask wallet that you can watch by clicking here. If you're not sure about the difference between these two types of exchanges, watch this video where I break it down for you. So for this tutorial, I'll briefly explain both processes so you can choose what works best for you. Step number 3, check network compatibility. This step is crucial to avoid losing your funds. Since ChainGPT operates on both Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum chain, you'll need to ensure that the wallet and the platform you're using are compatible with the network you choose to transact on. On the CoinMarketCap page, for ChainGPT, scroll to the contract section. Here you will notice that ChainGPT has two contract addresses listed, one for Binance Smart Chain BEP20 and one for Ethereum ERC20. What does this mean? It means you can buy ChainGPT on either the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum network. If you choose Binance Smart Chain, you will need BNB in your wallet to cover transaction fee. If you choose Ethereum, you will need ETH in your wallet to cover the gas fees. The decision often comes down to fees and platform availability. Binance Smart Chain lower transaction fees, making it more cost-effective option for smaller purchases. Ethereum higher fees but may offer access to Ethereum-based platform and features. Always double-check the network details on CoinMarketCap before completing your transaction. Using the wrong network could result in loss of funds. Step number 4, buy ChainGPT. Here's how to buy ChainGPT on both centralized and decentralized exchanges. On the centralized exchange, example Binance or Bybit. First, deposit funds into the account using fiat currency like USDT or GBP or another cryptocurrency. 2, search for ChainGPT using its ticker symbol CGPT and select the trading pair, example CGPT/USDT. And 3, enter the amount of CGPT you want to buy and confirm the trade. On PancakeSwap, connect your MetaMask wallet to PancakeSwap, swap an existing cryptocurrency like BNB for CGPT or USDT for CGPT. And 3, adjust the slippage tolerance if needed. This ensures your transaction goes through even with small price fluctuation. 4. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. The Binance Smart Chain is very fast, so it shouldn't take long. Step number 5. Safety store any coins. After purchasing any coin, it's essential to store it securely. You have two main options. Option 1. Keep it on centralized exchange, best for frequent trading due to higher liquidity and lower fees. Convenient for quick trade, but less secure since you don't fully own your tokens and there is a risk of hacks or platform failure. Option 2. Transfer to a decentralized wallet. Ideal for long-term holding as you have full control over your tokens. Safer than centralized exchanges, but trading through DEXs may involve higher fees and lower liquidity. For maximum security, use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor to store your token offline. Before we wrap up, here's a crucial tip. Always make a small transaction first to ensure everything is set correctly before moving the rest of your funds. This step helps you confirm that you've used the right wallet address and network. And remember, always use the same network for transaction, whether it's Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum or another blockchain. Sending funds to the wrong network could result in permanent loss of your tokens. And there you have it. With CoinMarketCap and a little guidance, buying cryptos is easy and secure. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button and let the YouTube algorithm know you enjoy this content. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. My name is Lamia. I'll see you in the next episode of our tutorial series. Until then, happy trading and I'll see you in the next one.